Good morning, children. How are you all? Welcome to math session. Now, children, as you know, we are continuing with our chapter 10. Okay, that is addition by carrying over. We finished part 1, part 2, part 3. Today we will be doing part 4. So let us see what topic today we will be doing in part 4. Topic will be arrange vertically and add. Okay, so let us see the first question. 346 plus 129 is equal to 346 plus 129 is equal to. Now what we are going to do is, this is our question. We are going to arrange it vertically and then we are going to solve it. So how we are going to arrange them? We are going to arrange them vertically first according to their place value. Then we are going to add units with units, tens with tens and hundred with hundreds. Okay. So let us start. We will add first unit with units. So the number first, that is 6 plus 9. Now children, you can add 6 more fingers to 9 or you can add 9 fingers to 6. Okay. So you will get the answer same. I am adding here, after 9 I am going to add 6 more. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So what I am going to do is, am I going to write the whole 15 here? No, I am going to write only 5. Okay, and I am going to write here 1 carryover. So now to this 4 I will add this 1. So 4 plus 1 will be 5. To that 5 I will add this 2. So 5 plus 2 will be 7. Now here I got a single digit number. I am not having 2-digit number, correct? So I am not going to carry over. I will just add the numbers in the hundreds place. So 3 plus 1 will be 4, correct. So when we add 346 plus 129, what answer I get? 475. Okay children. Now next question is 235, that is 235 plus 146, that is 146 plus 1111. Okay, now what we are going to do, we have to arrange them vertically and then we have to add. So we will arrange them vertically. Here it is, we have arranged them vertically according to their place value. 100, tens and unit. We are going to add units with unit, tens with tens and 100 with 100. Okay, this sum is of 3 numbers which I have taught you in my previous session. So let us do. We are going to add units with units. So 5 plus 6 will be 5 plus 6 will be 11. 11. To that 11 I will add the 1. So what answer I will get? This 5 plus 6 will be 11. To that 11 if I add this 1, what answer I am going to get? 12. So should I put the full 12 here? No. What I will write? Only 2 and 1 I will carry over. Okay. Now to this 3 I will add this 1. So 3 plus 1 will be 4. To that 4 I will add this 4. So 4 plus 4 will be 8. To that 8 I will add this 1. So it will be 9. Correct. Now I am not having a double digit number. Okay, I am not having a 2-digit number so that I can carry over. I got the answer in a single number. So I am not going to carry over. I am just going to add the hundreds place number. Okay. So 2 plus 1 will be 3. So if I add 235 plus 146 plus 11, what answer I get by adding them? 392. Now let us move to the next sum. 536 plus 236 236 plus 1919. Okay, 536 plus 236 plus 19. Let us arrange them vertically, children. Okay, now we have arranged them vertically according to their place value. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to start from our right hand side, that is from the units place. Always you will add from your right hand side, that is from the units place. So we are going to add units with units, tens with tens, and 100 with hundreds. So let us add. Just a second, children. Okay. Now 6 plus 6 is 6 plus 6 is, children, how much? Count on your finger and tell me. After 6, if I add more 6 to that, what answer I am going to get? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 6 plus 6 will be 12. Now to that 12 I will add this 9. So what answer I will get? 12 plus 9, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. So 21 should I write in the units column? No, I will write only the number 1 and 2 I will carry over. Okay. So now I will add this 2 plus this 3. So 3 plus 2 will be 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. What answer I got? 9. Now I am not having any carryover number. So what I am going to do? I am going to add the hundreds place. 5 plus 2. So 5 plus 2 is how much, children? Count and tell me. 5 plus 2 is how much? 7. So when we add 536 plus 236 plus 19, we get our answer 791. Now next. 749 plus 128, that is 749 plus 128. Let us arrange them. Yes. So we have arranged them according to their place value, and we have arranged them vertically according to their place value. Now we are going to add units with units, tens with tens and 100 with 100. Now this is addition of two numbers. Okay. So let us add unit with units. So 9 plus 8 is how much, children? After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So should I write full 17 here? No, I will write only 7 here and 1 I am going to carry over. Okay. So 4 plus 1. Let me take another color, children. Wait 1 second. Take green. Okay. Okay. Just a second, children. Okay. So I will write here 7 and here 1. Okay. Now 4 plus 1 will be 5 and 5 plus 2 will be again 7. Correct. Now here I am not having any number to carry over, so I am going just add. So 7 plus 1 will be 8. So when I add 749 plus 128, what answer I am getting? 877. Correct. Okay. Now next. 275 plus 246. 275, that is 275 plus 246. So let us arrange them vertically. Yes, here it goes. We have arranged them vertically and we have arranged according to their place value. So what we are going to do? We are going to add units with units, tens with tens and 100 with 100. Okay. So let us start. This is also addition of two numbers. So 5 plus 6 will be how much, children? Yes, tell me. 5 plus 6 is how much? Just a second, children. Wait 1 minute. Okay. Now tell me, 5 plus 6 is how much? 11. So I will write 1 here and 1 I am going to carry over. Okay. Now 7 plus 1 will be this 7 and this 1 I am going to add. So 7 plus 1 will be 8. 8 plus this 4, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So I will write 2 here and 1 again, carry over. Now here I got the answer in 2 digits. So one number I am going to carry over. Okay. So now this one and this 2. 1 plus 2 will be 3. And to that 3 I will add this 2. So it will be 5. Understood, children? When we add 275 plus 246, I get my answer 521. Next. 382 plus 119, that is 382 plus 119. 382 plus 199. Now let us arrange them. Here we have arranged them according to their place value. Okay, hundreds, tens and unit. We are going to add units with units, tens with tens and hundred with hundreds. Okay, so let us start unit with units. The number on units place is 2 and 9. So tell me, children, 2 plus 9 will be how much? 2 plus 9 will be how much, children? 11. Correct. So I will write 1 here and 1 I am going to carry over. 8 plus 1, this 8 and this 1 will be 9. And 9 plus this 9 will be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So what I am going to write here? Just a second, children. I am going to write here what? 9 plus 9 is 18. So I am going to write here 8 and here I am going to write 1. Okay. Now to this 3 I will add this 1. So 3 plus 1 will be 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Okay. So if I add 382 plus 199, what answer I get, children? 581. Now next. 455 plus 267. What is our question? 455 plus 267. Let us arrange them according to their place value vertically. Okay, now we have arranged them. Now shall we start adding units with unit, tens with tens and hundred with hundreds. So what is the number in the units place? Number 5 and number 7. Okay. So 5 plus 7 will be, children, how much? 12. We are going to write 2 here and 1 we are going to carry over. Okay. Now to this 5 I will add this 1. So 5 plus 1 will be 6. To that 6 I will add this 6. So 6 plus 6 will be, after 6 you will add more 6. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So what I am going to write here? 2 here and 1 I am going to carry over. Okay. Now 4 plus 1 or 1 plus 4. 5. Correct. And to that 5 add this 2. It will be 7. What it is? 7. 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. So if I add 455 plus 267, I get my answer 722. Now the next question is 545, that is 545 plus 165. Let us arrange them. Okay. Now what we are going to do? We are going to add units with units. So what is the number in units place? 5 plus 5. So what is 5 plus 5, children? What is 5 plus 5? 10. So what I am going to do is I am going to write 0 here and 1 I am going to carry over. Now this 4 and this 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus this 6. 5 plus 6 will be, after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So what I am going to do is I am going to write 1 here and 1 again I am going to carry over. Now I will add 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 will be 6. To that 6 I will add one more 1. So what is my answer? 7. Okay. So when I add 445 plus 165, get my answer 710. So with this, children, we finish our today's session of addition by carrying over part 4. Today we did arrange vertically and add. I hope you understood all the sums very clearly. Children, all the sums you have to solve it by yourself. You are going to write the topic. I will show you how you are going to do it and what you are going to write in your notebook. Just wait, children. Yes, you are going to write. You are not going to write the topic. You are going to write addition by carrying over chapter 10. First you are going to write chapter 10, addition by carrying over, lesson name. Then you are going to write the arrange word question, that is arrange vertically and add. Then you are going to write this question, that will be your question number 1. Only you are going to write this question and then you are going to make the column, you are going to arrange them vertically and then you are going to add them by yourself, not looking at these slides. Okay. First you are going to see the first question, this question you are going to copy. Okay. Then you are going to solve it. Solve the question, write the answer, then you are going to check your answer with the teacher's video. Okay. Then after that you will copy the second question and then you are going to again check with the second slide your answers. Then you are going to write the third. So like that, all the questions you are going to copy and then by yourself only you are going to make the column. You are going to arrange it vertically according to the place value. For the answers, go in the video, look again the video and then check your answers. Okay. So children, till then keep practicing and keep learning everything I want in your notebook. Whatever sums I have taught you from the part 1, part 2, part 3 and today part 4 and many parts I will be teaching you different lesson. All that I want in your maths notebook. Okay children. So till then, bye. Keep practicing and keep learning. See you soon in the next session.